Happy New Year from Tile Mart. Hi, I'm Julee Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. And I can't think of a better way to start out the new year than by sharing my top tile and design trends that are going to dominate the market in 2024. Embracing nature's palette. This trend is all about warm organic textures inspired by land, sand, and the sea. In 2024, you can expect to be surrounded by warm organic textures, including the rustic charm of wood, the timeless elegance of travertine, the earthy allure of terracotta, terrazzo, and the beauty of botanical plant and floral prints gracing both tiles and wallpaper. I can sum it up in one word: gorgeous! Vibrant meets neutral color palettes. Imagine intense, saturated colors, including shades of blue, green, teal, terracotta, and caramel, melding together with a softer, more muted palette featuring neutral tones like cream, beige, tan, taupe, blush, and gray. The 2024 color trends are a designer's dream, offering shades to satisfy everyone's taste and style. And when it comes to staying on top of the latest on-trend color palettes, Tile Mart's got you covered. Tile beyond tradition. Creativity leads the way. The 2024 tile trends are all about creating captivating visual displays on your walls, floors, and backsplashes that go far beyond where it's been used traditionally in the past, such as using tile to grace the walls of your halls or bedroom. This year, it's all about unexpected twists, getting funky, and bridging vintage and retro designs with the present. Pure magic, in my opinion. Tile Mart provides endless tile choices for you to choose from to express your unique style. 2024 is all about unleashing your creativity, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next week for another inspotaining Tile Mart episode. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe, and stay updated. And we love it when our customers share the love, so be sure to tag your friends. Thanks. See you next time.